Namaste students, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVN's Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jayoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. So students, today we are here to discuss the topic that is innate releasing mechanism. So this topic comes under the subject that is behavioral science. Okay, so what are the innate releasing mechanisms? So you know about the innate behavior. In the previous lectures we have discussed. So there are three types of the behavior are discussed: innate behavior or instinctual behavior, fixed behavior or intrinsic behavior. Second is the learned behavior, and third one is the complex behavior. So what is the mechanism behind the instinctive behavior or the innate behavior? Okay, so you know that the innate behaviors are not learned, they are inborn, they are genetically inherited, and they develop along with the development of the nervous system. So what are the mechanisms behind this type of the behavior? So these were the examples of the innate behavior. Okay, the feeding patterns of animals, the parental care, singing, wings cleaning, territorial behavior, aggression behavior, construction of web by spiders, and the nest of birds. So these behaviors, the animals do not learn with the experience. Okay, so they have inbuilt nature that they have the parental care. Okay, the spiders make the webs. Okay, so what is the mechanism behind these type of behavior? We will learn that. So in the instinctive behavior, we have discussed the four types of the behavior: agonistic behavior, dominance status, territorial behavior, and the altruistic behavior. So the innate releasing mechanism is a classical concept of the ethology. Okay, here the neural sensory motor interference that mediates between a key stimulus and the educate action pattern. Okay, so in the innate releasing mechanism, the this mechanism is actually a interface between two things. One is the key stimulus or stimuli, or second is the action pattern. So this is the interface between the two things. So the innate release mechanism thus has stimulus recognition and localization properties at its input side, and behavior releasing properties at its output side. So means in the input, what is there? Stimulus is there. Okay, so the recognition of the stimulus as an input side, and as an output side, the behavior. So the innate releasing mechanism should allow an animal to recognize and respond a behaviorally relevant object that the animal had never encountered before. Means the animal which do not face the situation before, but it will respond as the same manner as the other members of the species behave. Okay, so the term innate, however, is controversial since it may have different meanings of different characteristics. Means such as present at birth, they are present with birth. Okay, the behavioral differences caused by a genetic difference. Okay, some genetic differences should be may be there, adapted over the course of evolution, and the unchanging throughout development, shared by all members of the species, and present before the behavior serves any function. Not learned, it is not learned. So what is the example? So the example, common toads. Bufo bufo. Bufo bufo is a common toad which recognize prey objects by figurative visual features. Means the toad, he recognize its prey by its figurative visual features, its topologies, structure, activity. Prey catching activity in response to changes in the configuration. Means if you change the figurative properties of the prey, it will recognize it differently. So it is the innate leasing mechanism. So the discrimination is innate in the meaning of an ability being present after metamorphosis and shared by all members of the species. Means this property in toad to figure out the prey with its figurative properties is innate. Means it and it developed after the metamorphosis. So metamorphosis is a change, is from tadpole to a adult stage. So when a bufo or a frog converted from tadpole to the adult stage, it is known as the metamorphosis. So before metamorphosis, this property was not there in the toad, and this comes after the maturation. Okay, so this present after metamorphosis and shared by all members of the species means the all members of the species behaves like the same manner. Okay. So a coded command involves different types of neurons, each type detecting a certain aspect of behaviorally relevant stimuli. So this is the main concept of the innate learning mechanism. So the mechanism involves different types of neurons, means there are different types of neurons are there, and each type of neuron detects a specific type of the behavior relevant stimulus. Okay, so thank you. I hope this was you are satisfied with this digital session, and if you have any query, please write in the comment box and I will cure your query. So this session is powered by digital version 2 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Thank you.